Are you changing your baby's diaper? Yeah. You like that big piece of paper, don't you? It crinkles. Where are you going? Where's your baby? Where's your baby? It's in your hand, silly. Yeah. Oh, that's your boot. You ready to go have a bath? No? You want to go have a bath? Vivi? Olivia, you want to go have a bath? Come on. You destroyed Daddy's flyers. And the living room. What a mess you make in here. You coming? Come on. We're going to go have a bath. What? I see your belly. Your belly's hanging out. Hi. Okay, let's go have a bath. You want to have a bath? Go put your baby to bed so we can go have a bath. Go put your baby to bed. Put your baby to bed. Oh, give baby kisses. Oh. Oh, the baby. You put her in the trunk? You're funny. You're putting your baby in the trunk? I don't think your baby will fit in the trunk. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. You're leaving her behind, are you? Nope, you're going back for her. There you go. Good girl. Oh, you hugging baby? Is your baby going to bed? Oh, I can't. Oh, you're too close. Cheese. Say cheese. Liv? Olivia? Say cheese. course you won't do it when I ask you to. Say cheese! What's wrong?
Did it sound like the beating wings of a majestic bird? This is probably my heart. No, I'm pretty sure that was the sound of a Yep, it's fine. You got out. Nobody can. We're all. If you calm, it doesn't matter.
Heck with the baby. You want to take your mitten for a walk, eh? No. Baby.
We need to figure out a way to get people to buy our sandwiches. You can't find fresher and better tasting ingredients. Hey, you guys.
Okay, boo. Come on. Your bath water's ready. Let's go have a bath. Put baby to bed. Oh, put the baby to bed. Aww. Give the baby a kiss goodnight. Give your baby a kiss. Give your baby a kiss. Mwah. Say goodnight, baby. Kiss her. Give her kisses. Give her a kiss. Okay, your bath water's going to get cold. Let's get going.
You know it's not cute. People talking about their own cuteness. The next part of the drill. We'll continue the same steps and we'll pass an object magically back and forth. That'll be nice.
Yeah. Baby, can you say cheese?
We do not assign blame in my class.
Okay, boo. Let's go. Let's go have a bath.